Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make toffee mala. Toffee is a delightful, classic candy that's surprisingly simple to create at home. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you achieve that perfect, crisp, and buttery texture. Get ready to transform basic ingredients into a truly irresistible confection that everyone will love. It's a fun and rewarding kitchen project. To begin your toffee adventure, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter, ideally cut into smaller pieces for quicker melting. Also, have 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and half a teaspoon of salt ready. For that signature flavor, don't forget 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. These simple items are the foundation of your delicious homemade toffee. Now for the cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your butter, sugar, water, and salt. Stir these ingredients frequently over medium heat until the butter melts and the mixture comes to a rolling boil. Attach a candy thermometer, ensuring it doesn't touch the bottom. Continue stirring occasionally until the mixture reaches 305 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage, crucial for perfect toffee. Once your toffee reaches temperature, immediately remove it from the heat and carefully stir in the vanilla extract. Pour the hot mixture evenly onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Let it cool completely at room temperature for several hours until fully hardened. Then, you can easily break or cut it into delightful, bite-sized pieces. For a toffee mala, simply arrange these delicious pieces on a decorative string or platter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.